Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from TCL NxtPaper 10S to an Android device. First of all, just open Play Store on both of them and install free app called Send Anywhere. Remember that it has to be from this developer. When it's ready, open it. Following that, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow on both devices. Then select Send on TCL and Receive on an Android. Finally, you need to choose all of those type of dots on TCL tablet and choose Send. This way you will select all of your files and then transfer them. It will take a long time to do it now, so I will go into Photos, select only one, click on Send and tap on Got It. Now on an Android, choose No Thanks and close this window. Finally, we have two ways to connect. We can input this key over here and tap on Receive button. But we can also scan this QR code. If you want to scan it, you need to click on this scanning icon on an Android, then select while using the app or only this time and point your camera at the QR code. Following that, as you can see, after a couple of seconds, my picture was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!